black cat, nicknamed the block spinner.
Yo, what up you guys, your boy Loso here. M4 came in for a full color change, and this is the color that we're gonna be wrapping this M4 this week. This color is actually insane. It's gonna fit really good with this car. We already removed the door handle, trims right here. If you don't know, clean these trims really good. I saw like 4 spiders come out of this. Remove the tail light. We're gonna leave the mirror since it's not really gonna bother me, so we're gonna leave that there. Today was gonna be everything removal, but I think I'm just gonna start wrapping this quarter panel and just get it over with. This is a brand I haven't worked with before. He bought it, but I could wrap anything. I use so many brands already, like one of the hardest brands, so it's gonna be a cakewalk for this car. This bumper is gonna be a little tricky. There's gonna be inlay right here. Oh damn, the paint is for sure gonna lift up. Good thing I'm recording. Look at this. This is a very bad paint job. So I'm gonna put some test pieces on here. So this is the thing why you guys want to record if you wrap someone else's car. A few rock chips right here. Damn, this bumper might be a bad one, because look, you guys can see all that drippiness. Look at the bottom, man. Well, we're gonna see how it goes. But so we're gonna start doing this front bumper. Interior really nice. What I do, because some of these cars have a safety lock mechanism. When you remove the door handle, it automatically locks and you cannot open it from the inside. So what I do, I remove the striker. I think that's the name, striker. So it doesn't auto lock and safety lock on me. What up, you guys? And yeah, we're gonna get it done. I'm gonna lay down the wrap, set up everything I have, connect my extension. That's my leaf blower, basically, to blow all the dust off the car. I already clay barred it. This is really nice paint. It's like Galaxy or something, I don't know. But we're probably gonna do this fender tomorrow. Today is my mom's birthday, so I'm gonna try to get as much as I can done today so we can head home early. So yeah, it's a little dent right. I just saw where it is. Oh, it's right there. Little dent. So we're gonna start taping this up. We could remove it, but we don't want to break the trims on this, and these are very, very fragile. Most cars I'm able to remove it, but BMW is really fragile. So BMW, Mercedes, so stuff like that. And yeah, I'm gonna start laying this down, and I'll show you guys in a second. It's your boy Loso here. M4 is finally done. Last clip, you guys saw me wrapping the door, but this is how it turned out. Whole crew's right over there, but this is the M4. This color is insane. I completely love this color. Everyone loves it too. I took some gas station pics. I'm gonna do a quick cinematic for you guys on this car. That's where we're up here. So we're gonna get this shit done, take a few more photos, and call it a day. Only took me around 5 days to complete this car and put everything back together. Could have done it in 4, but it was my mom's birthday, so I did call it early that day. So this is how it turned out.
In the black cat, nicknamed the block spinner. To you young rap cats, I'm like Master Splinter, the OG. Sold the features for the low 3s. Hit her with that janky leg, made her like knees. Love how you speaking Guapanese. Pretty face walking up, but love to see you leave.